Hey KW community, it's Jo here from Kitchen Warehouse. I'm in the demo store kitchen today making some simple and easy bakes for you. This one I'm doing today is one of the simplest recipes. I only found this because I was looking for something super quick, 10 minutes in the oven, when I forgot to give my son some money for the cake stall. Anyway, he was all happy after I made these, so now I make them all the time for play lunches, for morning teas and things. What you need is a Madeleine tray. So this one's from Bakemaster, and this recipe is from one of my favourite home bakers, Charlotte Ree, Just Desserts, and the recipe is here. So let's take it away. What you need to do first is to whisk the eggs. 2 eggs straight in the bowl, and we will whisk those ones up. I'm going to need my glasses. Okay, and then what we've done is we've melted the butter, 125 grams of butter, and we're just going to stir the honey into there, and we'll let that cool a little bit longer. Perfect. Turn that up a bit. And then we'll just put the caster sugar in as well. Until pale and fluffy, we are making these. So while we're doing that, we might just put some of this lovely Bake Easy spray on the tray. Okay, they're almost done. Okay, so they are pale and fluffy, as Charlotte says to make them. Now, we are going to now fold the flour through and the baking powder and the butter and honey. Okay, so I have my trusty spatula, and we'll just fold these through so we don't lose any of the air out of the eggs. Okay, so we are good to go on that one. Now, my best way, you're supposed to fill these up 2/3. I find an ice cream scoop is the best way to do that because you can judge that you've got the same amount in each. And you don't want to overfill them because they do rise a little bit as well. Okay, first batch is going to go in the oven for 10 minutes and I will bring them back when they're ready. Okay, so the Madeleines have been cooking for 10 minutes. They're really nice and light. You see they just come out like that. I'm going to tip them out and turn them around so they're facing the right way. Ba-da-da-da. One last little one, there we go. So there's the Madeleines. All we need to do now is just put a bit of dusting of sugar on them. and serve them with a bit of cream if you want, or eat them warm off the tray. So thank you for joining me, and I have got afternoon tea sorted.